Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today we'll be cooking up some smoked buffalo chicken sliders. Alright, now we're going to prepare this chicken to put on the smoker. What we're going to do is spatchcock it. Basically what that is taking the backbone out so we can lay it flat. It'll cook even, so we want to cut on each side of the backbone, pull it off. Easy way to spatchcock the chicken. Next we're going to season this bird. Put your hand in there. You want the seasoning inside there. So we're going to take a good barbecue rub. Put a lot in there. So we're going to get the outside really good. Flip it over. Get this in. All right, what we did here is this is called a dry brine. So we want to put this in the refrigerator for about 8 hours. Overnight is fine. This has been seasoning overnight. So we're going to take it out. We took it out of the fridge. We're going to re-season the skin side right before we put it on the smoker on 275. We're going to put it right on the grate. This will be on the smoker until the internal temperature reaches 165. All right, our chicken's been in here for a little bit. We're at about 165 degrees. Take it out and let it rest for about a half hour, and then we're going to shred it. Get some stalks of celery, slice them up. Once this is set for about a half hour, I'm going to break it apart and shred it. All right, we have our shredded chicken. So we're going to take some warm buffalo sauce. We're just going to add that on the chicken. Now we're going to assemble the sliders. Slider buns, grab some of your buffalo chicken. I'm going to put some Monterey Jack cheese on it. Now we're going to add some blue cheese or ranch dressing. Keeping up with the theme with buffalo chicken, we're going to add a little bit of sliced celery. We're going to close the top. It needs a lid and a skewer to hold it together. There you go. Smoked buffalo chicken sliders.